Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about the assessment behind the post that I posted on Telegram channel today. It's about the Nifty index. I'll just clear off all the drawing tools here. If you see, this was the post I posted on my Telegram channel today, that I have a bearish view in Nifty index. Now I will explain you the reason behind having the bearish view on this one, and why exactly at that point itself I was looking for a short trade and not anywhere else. Okay, so if you see here on a daily chart, there was this nice bearish bar here, although not too big, but it's kind of bearish bar, and also there was quite a lot of bearishness yesterday as well. As you can see from here, it's making lower highs and lower lows, so I did have a bearish view on this one. Now the reason for posting that Telegram post was somewhere here, I guess, that I wanted to sell, basically having a view that the market might come down. That's where I thought. The reason for that is, if you see here, price made a very strong up move here, and then only one bear bar, and then the highs were taken out, and now the two bear bars and the highs were taken out. And if you see here, this was a very huge bear bar, and you know what, the significance of that bear bar is not just because it was a bear bar which engulfed the previous bull bar, or which took off all the gains made by the bulls in the previous bar. The same thing happened even here as well with this bear bar, but this thing happened at a very important zone. Okay, if you see here, this was the resistance zone, right? From this point to this point, somewhere it was very close to that, and that's when we saw this happening. So I posted, okay, if it goes up now, and I thought it might not be able to make a higher high this time and then start coming down. That's when I posted that screenshot, right? See, now what happens here is, after that the bulls failed to make a higher high, okay, and then two more bars here, and then this leg here failed to even touch this one, and already bears were coming into the picture. Okay, but that, because this leg was quite strong here, I didn't really want to sell here, and there was no real entry reason for me to take a sell trade there. Okay, so I waited, and then this strong rejection happened from the bottom, and then this rejection happened, and that is the right point to take the trade. I mean, you might be wondering, there was a rejection here as well. See, if I was bullish on the market, then yeah, definitely that would have impressed me to take a buy trade, but I was completely bearish, and that's the view I had. So I was looking for a sell opportunity, and this presented a very nice sell opportunity, because there is a nice rejection, and then bulls failing to make higher highs. Okay, there is a break in the pattern, and there is a strong bearish presence, and as you can see, this is the first time the bears have shown strength, which is, higher or greater than these two legs here, the mini legs. So that prompted me, that was the first signal, and then I was just waiting for the right opportunity, and this price rejection simply prompted me to take the trade. And I normally go with 1:3 risk to reward ratio, or 1:2 depending on my entry reason. So on this occasion I went for 1:3. And also I made a note which was significant on the Telegram post, that the market overall is bullish. So when the overall trend is bullish, you have to be very careful, and you have to book profits at the right times. See, if you don't do that, the market can take you by surprise, and then it just simply went up so nicely. Okay, so you have to be aware of that, and you have to book profits at a timely fashion. So that's it about that particular trade, guys. I have posted several intraday trades, the setups, and then the reason behind taking that kind of view that I have posted on Telegram channel. And also I have shared plenty of videos about positional trading. If you haven't seen that, just go and watch the three-step price action strategy that uses that is used for daily assessment, and then you can that's for positional trading. Basically, you hold it for 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, and all those things. And do watch that as well. So I have made positional trading videos and also intraday trading videos. So I will be stopping this intraday trading videos. It's just because you have got plenty of videos now to watch out for, and then to get cracking basically. Although I haven't showed you about entry and exit techniques yet, which I will be doing in future videos. As I said, you have to understand the concept first and practice that now and develop your skills to have the right perception about the market, so that you can be on the right side of the market. Okay, that's it about that. And so don't worry, I'll be posting some other videos which are relevant to traders, investors, intraday traders, like the things that you have to follow and the process you have to follow, and some really important tips that you have to follow. And on top of that, I also have in mind to build a portfolio together, wherein I'll be posting the stocks that I will be putting in my portfolio basket, so that you can also track that or even invest it, because I'm not recommending you to do that. I'm just showing you how a portfolio is built basically, and I'll be putting my money into that as well, and trading those stocks. So let's build the portfolio together and see how it goes. I will tell you all the rules, regulations, what are regulations in the sense regulating your own funds basically. It's about that. So what trading rules you have to follow and what trading regulations you have to follow while building a portfolio. So this will be helpful for short-term to medium-term investors, and also long-term investors if they want to hold it for more than a year or so. It will be good for them as well. So we'll build the portfolio together. So that's my idea. So if you like this, just give me a thumbs up and also share with your friends so that they can make use of this one as well. Do watch other videos, and also I want to show you a quick glimpse of how our intraday views performed basically. Okay, if you see here, this was the bank Nifty posted on 2nd February, when before taking the trade, and you can see how the market reacted afterwards. Okay, so I'm not showing this to boast or to say that how good I am, or it's definitely not a show off, guys. It's about understanding that if you trade the right way, you can make money and you can make a living as well. Okay, so that's the point I want you to show, and not to say that how good I am or see how I'm doing and I'm the best guy, trading guy. It's not about that. It's about if you do the right way, you can definitely make a living out of it as well. That was 2nd Feb. You can see how nicely it moved to the upside, and on 4th Feb it's Nifty again. As you can see here, the circling, that's where I posted a telegram post, and then it quickly moved up, and I had a bullish view on that one. The next one was Tata Steel. On the same day, 4th February, I had a bearish view, and you can see how nicely it came down. And you can also see the entries were so precise, and it almost immediately started moving in your favor after you took the short trade in Tata Steel. BPCL as well, I had a short trade, and see how nicely it came down. Okay, and Bank Nifty 8th February, I had a bearish view, and you can see how nicely it came down. And then Bank Nifty again on 9th February, which is yesterday, you see here, and then it went up a little bit for some more time. It was an exaggerated push to the upwards, to the upside, and then crashed all of a sudden. Okay, and this one's today, obviously. I have explained the reasoning behind that. So that's it, guys. As I said, it's just I want to show you that if you do the assessment right, you can definitely find good trading opportunities intraday if you show some patience and everything. And I'm going to post you the things that you need to be successful, to be as an intraday trader or a positional trader or as an investor as well. So stay tuned with the channel, and I'll be posting some really interesting videos in future as well. I hope this helped you guys. Please share and subscribe. See you later, guys.